Hi guys! So for today's video, go grab a snack because it's going to be a pretty long lip swatch. Because I am going to lip swatch the 15 shades of the new version of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics multi-use tint. Una sa lahat, check out the packaging, you guys. So dito sa taas, doon mo na makikita yung shade name. And dito sa side na to, you're going to have an idea ano ba yung shade na nilalaman ng box. So ang chika was same formula but new packaging, obviously. So dun sa dating packaging, this is 8 ml and nasa tube siya. And this one costed 249 pesos each. Pero sa new packaging, dime! It is 10 ml, retails for 349 pesos. And you guys, nashook ako kasi ang tabahan niya pala in person. Legit! Ang laki niya! Like, hindi siya yung typical na liquid lipstick na manipis. It's really mataba. It's even chubbier than the Radiance Tint Concealer. By the way, ito yung doe foot applicator. Also a fatty, chubby, cutie doe foot applicator. And I'm loving it! Pero all the goodness of the previous version is nandun pa rin. It's long-wearing, hydrating, buildable, highly pigmented, and blendable. Meron siyang shea butter, macadamia oil, and vitamin E. Itong mga products na to ay vegan, animal test-free. By the way, ito palang nakuha ko, manufactured noong March 2022. Mag-expire siya sa March 2025. Good to know. And the best part nga, guys, ang daming new shades. So without further ado, chika, let's start. So I hope you don't mind, guys. I grouped them into two old shades and then yung new shades. Tapos dun sa new shades, I'm going to swatch them based on their color family. Depende sa judgment ko, alin yung magkakapamilya. Let's start with Cheesecake. So this is what Cheesecake looks like. Swatch on my arm. So this is Cheesecake ng tiny amount and then smudged out. And this is Cheesecake ng full pack on. So si Cheesecake daw ay muted, almond pink, and I do agree. Bakit sabi nila same formula? Pero parang feeling ko this is, I don't know, much more liquidy-ish. Siguro dahil iba na yung packaging. Meron ng doe foot applicator, so medyo nami-mix yung contents inside. Unlike nung nasa tube siya, like there's no way for you to like move the product inside the packaging. Anyway, so this is Cheesecake on my lips. Next is Okinawa. This is Okinawa smudged, tiny amount. And then this is Okinawa in full pack color. According to the list, Okinawa is an autumn brick red, and I do agree. Meron siyang parang deep burnt orangey feels. Next shade is called Fruit Tea. So over here is Fruit Tea. So this is Fruit Tea smudged. And this is Fruit Tea in full pack color. And you know what, guys? Fruit Tea is a perfect shade for that summery vibe and feel. Yung parang pop of color kapag ka mainit, but you want to look like, you know, super fresh, but glam at the same time, if that makes sense. Next, we have 100% sugar. So this is 100% sugar compared to previous shades. This is 100% sugar, little amount, smudged. As you can see, super duper pigmented siya. Now, let me show you 100% sugar in full pack color. Nakakaloka! I honestly forgot ano yung parang itsura niya in full pack color when I first reviewed the version 1. And honestly, with the doe foot applicator, parang nama-maximize niya yung potential nung tint as a lip product. And I love it. So yeah, this is 100% sugar. Anyway, I hope you don't mind. I grouped them based on color family base sa aking judgment and base sa packaging. Kasi kahit na nakikita yung shade niya sa mismong packaging, dahil medyo frosted siya, like you really have to sipat ng maigi. Kasi sometimes they look like almost the same. So you really have to look closely and with a really nice lighting to see the difference doon sa mismong lalagyan. Okay, so let's start with the feeling ko lightest of them all. This is the shade Pudding. Okay, so this is Pudding swatched on my hand. So this is Pudding like blended out, and it's obviously not my shade because it's too pale for my skin tone. Para ako naka-concealer lips, but I bet this looks gorgeous as a blush more than lip color. So this is Pudding full pack color. Definitely not my shade on my skin tone, but I bet this looks gorgeous as a blush. Yeah. This is Pudding. Next shade is Honeydew, is a neutral pink. So this is honeydew non-smudged and, you know, just a little bit of layer. And honestly, it's way better, more tolerable for me, for my skin tone compared to pudding. Now let's see the full pack color. So this is honeydew in full pack color. Pudding and honeydew are like gorgeous colors as a blush, parang subtle blush. Well, depende on your skin tone. Next shade is Souffle. So this is Souffle, and Souffle daw is a cool tone pink. So it's like Barbie pink. So here is the smudge look, and honestly, not that bad for the smudge look Para siyang, you know, kahit cool tone siya, it's wearable for my skin tone lalo na. Parang subtle pink lang siya on my lips. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na this is so gorgeous as a blush. Now let's see the full pack color. I was so surprised with Souffle kasi it's supposed to be a bright, cool tone pink. It is on the brighter side, but not too like in your face na pink, na parang traffic cone pink-ish. It's more wearable than I'm expecting it to be. So yeah, this is the full pack color of Souffle. Next shade is Pablo's Latte. Ito talaga yung pinaka-curious sa kids. So this is Pablo's Latte compared to the previous shades, and yes, it is my kind of pink. Ito daw ay mauve pink. Here is Pablo's Latte, little amount and smudged. I knew it. Pablo's Latte. It is legit mauve pink. Perfect for every day, any occasion. One of my favorites, definitely. Yeah, you should get Pablo's Latte. And feeling ko rin isa to sa mga madaling masu-sold out na shades. It's so bagay to any skin tones. I love Pablo's Latte. Next we have the Macchiato. So this is Macchiato na rose terracotta daw. So this is Macchiato smudged. The typical shade of a lip tint, you know? Now, I'm excited to the full pack color. It's like red, pero hindi siya in-your-face red. It has a little bit of orange and a little bit of pink. Well, base sa aking judgment. So, if you want to use a red lipstick, pero ayaw mo yung nananampal na red lipstick, then you could go for this one, itong Rose Terracotta. So yeah, this is the full pack of Rose Terracotta. Next shade, let's go for Buttercream. So this is Buttercream. Dapat pala mas inuna ko si Buttercream more than Macchiato. So this is Buttercream Smudge, and it looks like a natural lip color if you ask me. And this is Buttercream in full pack color, and I am also loving it. Para siyang sister ni Pablo's Latte, but more on the brownie side. Si Pablo's Latte kasi more on the pinky side. This one is on the brownie side, and I'm loving it. It's so subtle. It's good for everyday. Lipstick-wise pero I'm pretty sure it's also gonna look bomb as a blush or as an eyeshadow. So yeah, this is Buttercream. Next is 215 Coffee. And over here is 215 Coffee, and it's kind of lighter than what I was expecting it to look like. 215 Coffee daw is Rosewood Taupe. Well, from the arm swatch, it looks like cool tone grayish brown-ish for me. Yep, so this is 215 ng smudge on my lips. It is definitely medyo browny grayish. This is perfect as an eyeshadow. So this is the full pack color, and it is coffee on your lips. That's like the best description. I actually kind of like it, pero I don't think a lot of skin tones would appreciate this as a lip color kasi medyo ashy siya, grayish undertone ng very slight. So yeah, this is 215 Coffee. Now let's go to the shades na parang feeling ko like bold and edgy based on the swatch online. Let's start with Pink Cappuccino. Hello, hindi na ko siya. Okay, dito naman. It's not that dark. So swatch kasi online parang like it's super dark or deep. It's like your lips but better. And ito, one dot and then smudged. Okay, let's see the full pack color. Akala ko like it's super deep or dark, pero it's good for every day. Medyo habig siya ni Pablo's Latte. Ang difference lang is this one is much deeper than Pablo's Latte, and si Pablo's Latte kasi is brown pink. Eto brown pink and then add a little bit of purple or a little bit of violet. So parang ganon. Feeling ko lang naman. That's like the best explanation I can give. But yeah, it looks good for every day. Yung bracelet ka. Deeper. Next up is Milkshake. Okay, this time Milkshake is actually deep. God, next to sunset na, I gotta hurry. This is Milkshake Smudge and lip tint vibe, lip tint color, but instead of reddish, it's more on a little bit of pink and purple. Full pack color, let's go. Wow. Die Milkshake. It's deep, It's close to vampy, but I think it's still okay for like everyday use. Ganda! It's like really deep pink, violet pink, magenta pink. So yeah, this is Milkshake. Next is Super Taro. Oh my god. It is Taro. Bro, I'm nervous. Ooh, not bad. Hindi siya mukhang alien. So ito a little amount and then smudged. Okay, let's try the full pack color. Oh, hello there, Super Taro. Not bad. I mean, I was expecting it to be like not bagay to me. Well, ako, sa nakikita ko personally, it looks okay. Parang carry ko naman siyang dalhin. Pero this is the type of shade, if you're going to use it as a lip color, kailangan maganda sana, alam mo yan, plakado yung mukap mo at hindi yung parang, I woke up like this lang. Because obviously, it's not for natural looks. So yeah, this is Super Taro and super wearable. Finally, last but not the least, chai tea. It is the deepest. It's definitely the deepest. So this is what it looks like smudged, and it is wearable pero take note, it's in the deeper side and halata yung a little bit of, I don't know, violet, purple, magenta family. Now let's try the full pack color. And this is chai tea in full pack color, and I think anyone can pull this off. Different skin tones, different undertones, kering. And obviously, out of all the 15 shades, ito yung pinaka-bold, pinaka-deep, and edgy. But still very much wearable. So, those are all the 15 shades, you guys. I know, ang haba ng video na to. My God, nakikinita ko na. And honestly, guys, sabi nila, it's the same formula. Pero parang hindi. Parang mas, ano siya, mas blendable and mas smoother, creamier compared nung nasa tube pa siya. Maybe because, I don't know, may factor ba na doe foot applicator na siya. And take note, you guys, if you're going to use these as lip products, ituring mo siya na parang lipstick. It's not kiss-proof, smudge-proof whatsoever, pero it's not drying. It's actually a little bit moisturizing pa nga. So you just have to keep that in mind. Pero as a blush, wala kang magiging problema dito. As an eyeshadow, depende sa if kulasan na eyeshadow. I don't think mga cream eyeshadows maglalast that long. Yung mga multi-use eyeshadows. Pwede, pero kailangan mong iset with an eyeshadow powder na kakulay yung ginamit mong as a base. But you know what? I am super happy with the shades they came up with. Ito nasa version 1 na to, and then ito yung mga new shades as well as this one. Medyo yung hinahanap ko lang is yung parang solid red na yung parang classic red, Snow White red, yung mga ganyan. But anyways, I'm pretty sure kung merong version 1, version 2, magkakaroon ng version 3. Kaya ngayon pa lang, congratulations na May for coming up with version 2 in a nicer package, in a bigger amount. Mas mahal siya compared dun sa mga tubes, pero you know, very worth it and understandable bakit siya mas nagmahal. And it looks so classic. For some reason, it reminded me of Rare Beauty. Hindi siya kamukha ng Rare Beauty, pero yung parang feels niya. Ano mo yun? And thank you so much, May, for sending me the entire collection. And congratulations, girl. Keep on grinding. And sana kayo guys nag-enjoy din kayo. And go get yours. Because I swear to God, I love the new packaging. I love the doe foot applicator. It's easier, less messy when it comes to, you know, application. Just love it. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, ito na yung lipstick ko. For the blush, feeling, try nga natin yung Super Taro. My God. And you guys, beware. Because a little goes a long way. Ay, hindi siya magmumukhang ganito as a blush. Hindi siya yung parang like violet. It's going to be a little bit on the pinkier side. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for being patient at tinapos nyo yung video ko. I will link everything down below in case you're interested. So yeah, be sure to check out the description box. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!